Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to talk about YouTube Shorts. Now YouTube Shorts are the new kind of beta test that YouTube is doing with shorter version of videos. I did a video a couple videos back as a short version of this, and what shorts are 1 minute vertical videos typically filmed with your cell phone in a vertical format, so 16:9. So when you play it back on YouTube using the YouTube app, it's going to take up the full screen instead of being a wider view and tilting your phone the other way like you would watch a regular video. Now what YouTube Shorts are, it's a beta test that they're doing in India as a new kind of, just a new test to see if it basically takes off. Now with those videos, you can actually film them right on the YouTube app, but in North America here, we are not able to do that. But they've actually, through the beta, they've actually let us, there's a way to record a video vertically and then upload it to YouTube to have it featured in some of the sections of YouTube where they're featuring shorts. Now these videos, in order to be a part of this beta, what you have to do is make sure when you film your video, you film it with your phone in a vertical format, so straight vertical up and down. You can also do it, I'm filming this with my Fuji X-T4, you would have to, on your tripod, tilt it the other way around so it's filming vertical. You can also do it that way. Then you would edit your video how you would normally edit it and upload it to YouTube in the vertical format like you would upload any other YouTube video. Now where it's a little bit different is YouTube Shorts have to be 1 minute or less, so 60 seconds or less to be featured in the Shorts area, and they do have to be in vertical format in order to get featured as well. And to get them to show up, what YouTube's doing is in their app, there's a section that may show up. Again, this is in beta. It may show up for certain viewers with other shorts. And to get this to show up, you have to tag your either title of YouTube video or in your description with hashtag shorts. And I will leave all the instructions below of this video on how to actually tag it properly, and then the potential is it will start showing up in different areas of YouTube and you might get some more viewers. I did one the other day on one of the camera tips that I've done, and it actually got a few hundred views, which was actually pretty surprising for a video that is under under a minute. Usually on YouTube, if you have a short video like that, there's not going to be a lot of people, usually a lot of people viewing them. People on YouTube, especially on my channel here, they like to view the videos that are a bit longer and typically than just a minute. So it's something I'm trying out. It'd be interesting to see what happens. I'm going to start to do some more quick editing, some camera little tips, answering questions. I think on the channel with YouTube Shorts is a great way. 1 minute is a short amount of time, but it is also a long, when you start actually thinking about what you're going to be recording and actually filming, 1 minute is actually quite a long time. So we can maybe have some fun with these, with some kind of neat editing. I think I'll practice that and put some more shorts up. So if you like the shorts on my channel, let me know in the comments if you have a question or something like that I can answer quickly in one of the shorts, possibly about a YouTube tip or about the Fuji X-T4 camera tips, that kind of thing. Be more than happy to answer them in a quick little short video. They're kind of fun to do because they don't take a lot of time. If you're filming them, especially with your cell phone, you can film them vertically, you can have them uploaded, then you can upload them right to YouTube very, very quickly, and you can have a video up literally in, it takes you a minute to film and it's up the following minute it's up on YouTube. So that is YouTube Shorts. Let's see where this goes. If you have a question about YouTube Shorts, let me know again down in the description, down in the comments. I'd be happy to answer it for you. If you like the video, I always appreciate it for a thumbs up, which is great. And if you're not subscribed and you've made it this far, please consider subscribing. I'm sharing regular videos on the channel, not just shorts. We have long form videos as well, like this one, bit longer form, tutorial videos, photo videos, kind of an all-round technology channel that's kind of happy to share information here. So it'd be great to have you follow along as well. I post videos regularly, but until my next one, thanks for watching this, and you can check out this video.